The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is compact in size, yet spacious enough to air fry up to 2.5 pounds of food at once with minimal noise and maximum ease. With features of full-size models, this innovative unit has 6 functions: convection bake and convection broil, air fry, toast, bagel, and warm. Air frying is a healthier alternative to deep frying in oil. A high-velocity fan and an upper heating element circulates the air to prepare a variety of foods that are both delicious and healthier than traditionally fried foods. Air fry favorites such as chicken wings. Toast 4 slices of bread or bagel halves at once to serve up a quick and easy breakfast. Bake a 3-pound chicken in less than 60 minutes and save time with easy cleanup. The Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer Toaster Oven has temperatures of up to 450 degrees and offers great performance without crowding the countertop. It's so simple to use. Turn the knobs to select function, time, and temperature. Enjoy all the crunch without the calories. The Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer Toaster Oven.
Introducing the next generation of Keurig. The Keurig 2.0 K300. Keurig 2.0 is the first Keurig system to brew a cup and a carafe at the touch of a button. Choose a K-cup pack to brew a single cup or a K-carafe pack to brew a 4-cup carafe. It's so smart, so simple, so Keurig. With Keurig 2.0 brewing technology designed to read each portion pack lid to brew the perfect beverage every time. The Keurig 2.0 K300 features a 60-ounce water reservoir, touch display, 9 brew sizes, and strength control. The Keurig 2.0 K300 brewer makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. With more than 125 varieties from 20 brands you know and love, all with a guarantee of Keurig quality, so you always know you're brewing the best. So smart, so simple, so Keurig.
Welcome to your new best friend in the kitchen. Introducing the ChopBox, the first and only smart cutting board with everything you need to make any meal. Never worry about germs again with a sanitizing light built right in to disinfect any knife. Just 1 minute of UVC light exposure kills 99.99% of germs and bacteria. A handy second board for anything you need and to prevent cross-contamination. Knife getting dull? Easily sharpen your knife without interrupting your cooking with one of the 2 convenient knife sharpeners right on the side of the cutting board. The ChopBox comes with a built-in kitchen scale exactly where you need it. Weigh up to 3 kilograms or 6.6 pounds. Get the perfect portion every time without having to find another appliance. Never overcook your food again. The ChopBox's timer keeps you on track for perfectly cooked meals every time. The ChopBox is 100% organic bamboo and 35 millimeters thick. This thing is extremely strong and made to last. Only 1 hour of charging lasts up to 30 days of use. Waterproof and heat resistant. Don't store 5 different single-use tools. Save time, money, and hassle with the Smart Chop.
This is NutriBullet Balance, the world's first connected nutrition extractor. Getting started is easy. First, launch the Balance app on your smart device. The power base will quickly recognize and link via Bluetooth. Now you're ready to go. Let's find a recipe and get started. In Account Settings, click Eating Style. Then select your style, whether that's vegan, paleo, low carb, high protein, or whatever. Then select your wellness path. This would be anti-inflammatory, energy boosting, immune health, performance, detox cleansing, and more. Balance will also accommodate any dietary restrictions, allergies, or dislikes you may have. Now the Balance will use your preferences to search its database of hundreds of recipes and show you only the recipes that suit your wellness goals. Scroll through and select a recipe. Ooh, the banana blueberry detox sounds delicious. The ingredients and their nutritional values will be displayed. Click Go Blend and follow the on-screen instructions. Balance will then prompt you to add the ingredients in the right order for the perfect blend. As the ingredients are added, Balance will calculate the nutritional value of each in real time. When the recipe is complete, Balance will then automatically set blend time, giving you the perfect consistency every time. When blending is complete, Balance will track your nutritional value and upload to your Balance profile, and will even update to your favorite fitness app, keeping you on track to reach your wellness goals. Getting healthy doesn't get any easier than that.
The new Hamilton Beach Sound Shield 950 blender with quiet blend technology is 55% quieter than a traditional blender. Here's a traditional blender. And here's the Sound Shield 950 in action. Our quiet blend technology keeps noise levels low so you can make a 6 a.m. smoothie without disturbing your family. Keep the conversation going while mixing margaritas, and let the baby keep napping while dinner gets started. Our hinged quiet shield provides superior noise reduction that keeps all of your blending noise at bay, while our motor, fan, and rubber jar pad are all designed to muffle sounds while they work. But the innovation doesn't stop at keeping quiet. The 950 is a powerhouse when it comes to smoothies, icy drinks, salsas, soups, hummus, and more. It crushes ice with a 950-watt peak power motor and stainless steel blades. 3 speeds with pulse to ensure controlled blending and desired results every time. The 52-ounce dishwasher-safe glass jar has a spill-stopping, drip-free pour spout to minimize the mess. It's also easy to clean. Just lift, press, and slide the Sound Shield to remove. The blade's also removed for cleaning. It's a snap. Combine powerful blending, easy use, quick cleanup, and more peace and quiet in your kitchen, and you have the Hamilton Beach Sound Shield 950. Now that's good thinking.